Hi Scorpio, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Scorpio, let's see what message wants to show through for you today. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Scorpio and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life. Thank you. Alright Scorpio, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Scorpio, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Alright Scorpio, starting with the Three of Swords, with the Judgment card, Knight of Swords, Strength card, Five of Swords, Page of Wands, the Empress, Four of Cups and the Sun card. Bottom of my deck, I have the Eight of Cups in reverse. It seems somebody wants their person to return back here, Scorpio. There's been a lot of heartbreak between the two of you. Maybe somebody has been wanting a rebirth of this connection. They're very, very frustrated, very angry. Maybe that person is holding back from them. And now the person who's angry and frustrated is feeling, all these mind games I played, all this bad behavior, I am feeling like a loser, right? Like I'm the one who lost in all this. They do want to message their person who is not really excited about it, I feel. Empress in reverse saying, no, I'm not interested, which is making them feel a bit sad and depressed. Let's see. Scorpio, let's start with some dialogue message cards between the two of you. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. Then we'll clarify all these cards, okay? Scorpio and their person, spirit. Scorpio and their person. Scorpio and their person. Okay. Let's take a few more Scorpio from another deck. And if any of you are looking for personal reading, Scorpio, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Scorpio and their person. Scorpio and their person. And let's take a few more Scorpio from here. Scorpio and their person. I think we're good to go. Alright Scorpio, let's start your reading. The first card here says, I feel like I've been fighting for your life, for you not only to stay alive, but for you to be your authentic self and thrive. I want to see you embrace your dreams and fly free from everything that's been holding you back. Maybe one person tried and has now given up. I'm at a breaking point right now because you apologize, however you continue to make the same mistakes. This has become a toxic behavior that needs addressing if you want this relationship to work. I hate it when I communicate with you and you could keep the conversation going, but you shut it down. Can't you tell I'm trying to get you to coerce it out of me? I want to tell you what's going on with me, but I can't just come out and say it. Damn. Somebody is unable to get through to this Empress now. My friends keep telling me I made a big mistake in letting you go. I want to fix things between us. I just don't know how to make things right at this time. I believe the best is yet to come. Keep praying, stay positive, and keep believing in us. Your love makes me feel untouchable and invincible. You make me stronger, happier, and wiser. Your love is the greatest love I've ever known. I'm working through issues with my family. It hurts me to say we should go our separate ways. This is again this Empress. All right, Scorpio, if these were resonating with your storyline, let's start your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card as always. Let's see what my angels have for you as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Blessing, guidance, advice, signs from above. Well, whoever's watching this reading, Scorpio, you, or it could be your cross watcher, you will be getting signs and synchronicities as to whether you should return back or keep it moving, right? So pay a lot of attention to repeating songs, repeating numbers. You open a book and you see something which, kind of, you immediately feel it's answering some question. So a lot of signs, strangers could come up and say something to you. So just be mindful that the angels are trying to send you or direct you to the right direction. Okay? So pay attention to these. So 3 of Swords, Spirit. Who's heartbroken now? 3 of Swords. 3 of Swords. Somebody is losing hope that they can bring this connection back into balance. They're feeling very demotivated. They do want to have this communication that, hey, can we begin again? Can we start again? Give me another chance. But heart of hearts, they are kind of lost. They've kind of lost hope, feeling very heartbroken that this connection is out of balance now. But wanting to have clarity, wanting to have this communication about maybe a re-beginning. Judgment, Spirit. Judgment. Yeah, somebody wants to start a brand new chapter, brand new cycle. Let's start from scratch. Can we begin again? Let's just pretend that, this is a new life for us. This card said it also. What was it? I believe the best is yet to come. Keep praying and stay positive and keep believing in us. But because of somebody's bad behavior, I think the other person could be holding back. Knight of Swords in reverse. Yeah, somebody's turned their back on whoever wants this new beginning because they were very immature, they were very very immature and scattered, not ever doing the right thing, creating conflict and drama all the time, very childish energy, always creating, confusion basically. So I think this Empress is the one who's now put up some barriers now. Listen, I can't deal with this anymore. Been there, done that, and now I'm in my power, I'm in my strength. And I am holding back now, pushing you back away because I know that each time I do trust you, the games that you play, they all kind of make me feel I'm not worth it, or yes, we can be friends if you want, but that's about it. I do have fond memories of you. Some of them are good, but some of them are not good. I have the 6 of Cups with the Knight of Wands in reverse. So some good memories, some bad memories, but somebody here is saying that I can't go through this drama again because overall I always felt like a loser in this connection. And this is a choice that I'm making. I'm starting a brand new chapter in my life. I'm moving on. Page of Wands. Page of Wands clarified by the Page of Wands. Wow, if that's not a sign, then what is? The other person may want to rekindle this because they are feeling very bored and lonely and sad and rejected and want the love of this queen, this Empress. They are now recognizing that this is my perfect partner, but they are feeling dropped. They're feeling dropped because this queen seems to be going off on a new journey for themselves. This Empress doesn't want to go backwards, it seems. Empress, Spirit in reverse. Empress in reverse. This Empress says my person has always kind of emotionally kept me stuck, always kept secrets. They emotionally overwhelmed me. They've been rude, they've been mean to me, and I've made my decision. I've made my choice here. I know maybe they do love me in their own strange way, but this was a very, very emotionally overwhelming relationship, which I never felt safe in this connection. I never felt safe, I never felt secure, and I am getting out of this funk now and going off for a brand new beginning. This is going to be a shock to this other person who is still hoping against hope. The Tower is here. It's going to shock the other person that that person is unchaining themselves and moving on. The Sun is in reverse twice. Why is that, Spirit? Why is the Sun in reverse? Because that person is walking away. My God, how clear is this reading? Somebody is not going to be very happy with the fact that this Empress is carving a new path and walking away, because they till now have been hoping that there will be a return. But this Empress is saying, no, I'm walking away. Anything else, Spirit? Anything else? They may even try one more time. They may come with an apology or a hand of friendship or, please don't go kind of a thing. But I guess depends on this Empress now, and depends on how clearly they see the signs which will be sent to this Empress, I think now, whether they should give this person another chance or not. That's all I have for you, Scorpio. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.